Glitter Bomb 4.0 is our most advanced glitter bomb ever. Beautiful, complex, yet simple. A sleek and porch-informed design now includes a car horn from a Toyota Corolla and 20% more fart spray. A completely redesigned multi-spray glitter cup with a pound of our finest biodegradable glitter means your porch pirate will remember this moment for a very long time, but especially in direct sunlight. Oh, and there is one more thing. Introducing the world's first self-launching lid. Glitter Bomb 4.0. Because sometimes revenge is a dish best served fabulously.